Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey. Guys, we're talking about that generation right here, year 2011 to year 2017. If you need to find where the fuel pump relays are located, you may have up to 3 different relays for the fuel pump, fuel injection and the fuel injection system. Stay with us, we will explain guys where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the J-case fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So here we're going to demonstrate where the fuel pump relays are located on 2015 Honda Odyssey, guys. If you want to know a fun fact about that car, you have 5 fuse boxes, so be prepared for that. Now, we're going to need, the first fuse box will be inside the vehicle on the driver's side, under the dash in the corner there. And we have a fuse box that if you access it, it will look just like this one. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can see everything with the detail. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here we'll need to check 1 fuel pump relay, then we have 2 more hidden at a different fuse box. So that relay number 3, it's known as R3, that's a fuel pump relay right here. Now we have another one, and we're talking the one under the hood, okay, right there. This is your main fuse box right here. Open that cover and you're going to see that fuse box layout right here, guys. Here we'll need to check, guys, okay, 2 relays specifically for the fuel pump and fuel injection system. And we're talking about that relay right here and that relay over there as well. These 2 relays, okay, will need to be checked, guys, okay, for the fuel pump. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.